Hi, Mary here.
Tyler here.
And today we're going to be making a video for 25 Days of Christmas, December... Let's see what the date is. December 13th, 2023. And today we are going to be trying...
Smart popcorn, marshmallow hot cocoa.
And it has 160 calories. That's per serving and 70 per cup. And the serving size is 2 1/3 cups, 2 servings per container. Total fat is 11 grams per serving and 4.5 grams per cup. Trans fat is 0 for both. Saturated fat is 2 grams per serving, 1 gram per cup. Cholesterol 0 for both. Sodium 60 milligrams per serving and 25 milligrams per cup. Total carbs is 15 grams per serving and 6 grams per cup. Dietary fiber 2 grams per serving and less than 1 gram per cup. Total sugar is 3 grams per serving and 1 gram per cup. And included added sugars is 3 grams per cup. 3 grams per serving and 1 gram per cup. And then protein is 2 grams per serving and less than 1 gram per cup. Vitamin D is nothing. Calcium 10 milligrams per serving and 0 per cup. Iron is 0.6 milligrams per serving and 0.2 milligrams per cup. And potassium is 60 milligrams per serving and 30 milligrams per cup. And it just contains milk. Smells good.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
I'd give it a 7 out of 10. It's not too bad.
I'll give it a 5 out of 10. It's just too chocolatey for me. I don't think I'd eat this again.
Probably not. It's not too bad.
Comment down below what your favorite popcorn is. Maybe we'll get it and try it.
And don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications.
And see you in the next video.